Office applications are present in almost every task of modern work. They help us create, organize, and communicate information clearly and efficiently. Everything starts with the word processor, the basic tool for writing reports, preparing messages, and giving any document a professional look. Then we have spreadsheets, which help organize numbers, analyze data, and create charts to understand information at a glance. We also rely on presentation tools, perfect for explaining ideas visually through slides, images, and diagrams. Other tools join the group, such as forms, simple databases, and note managers, useful for collecting information and keeping tasks organized. In daily work, these applications make it possible to write professional documents, analyze numerical data, design attractive presentations, and coordinate projects. Their advantages are clear. They increase productivity, improve accuracy, support teamwork, and allow storing everything in the cloud to access it from anywhere. Among the best-known suites are Microsoft Office, LibreOffice, and Google Workspace, each with tools adapted to different needs. And to get the most out of them, it helps to use templates, review the content, make backups, and work collaboratively. Office applications not only speed up work but also improve the quality of what we produce. In the description, you will find a link to the blog with more details.